So word on the street is that mini twists are growing the girlies' hair. But you're also wondering if your hair is gonna lock up, the maintenance, how to style them, how to wear them, how to do them, how to wash them, do you wash them, do you not wash them? All of these questions, it's so overwhelming. Tiana's here to help you. I'm gonna break it down step by step. Starting with today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install some mini twists.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
As Tiana rightly said, I have definitely been seeing so many girls, so many natural girls online getting to amazing lengths with their natural hair using mini twists as a protective hairstyle. I have seen naturals that were able to grow their hair down to their butt, tailbones, and even their knees using twists. And because I had tried mini twist on my hair before, I actually installed them myself. The takedown process was a disaster. I had to nurse my hair back to health for about 3 to 4 months, and this happened about 3 years ago. Since then, I have not installed any type of twist on my hair using my natural hair, just extension. So I came back again this time around because, like I said, I have been seeing so many girls online reaching and attaining amazing lengths with their natural hair using mini twists. So I came back and I decided I was not going to do this myself. I was going to get someone, a professional, to help me install the twists. I'm going to allow the natural hair girl them that rate how to install these twists.
Installing some mini twists because I am in desperate need of a very low maintenance hairstyle. I'm starting off on clean stretched hair. This is about 3 days old, so dried hair. I sprayed my hair first and then I went in with my cold milk and just twisted tightly-ish all the way down. You know how you get excited before a new hairstyle? There's butterflies in your belly, you are setting the mood, you're excited. That moment only lasts until I am halfway into doing my mini twist. Before I am over it, everything is overstimulating me, everything is annoying me, I am over it. I'm starting to ask myself, why did I decide to install mini twist? It is so tedious. The girls that are bona fide mini twist warrior, I hail you. I hail you. I know somebody's going to say, this is not even mini twist. It is way too big. You're supposed to have smaller sections. It's mini to me, and that's what that matters. Because if I go any tinier, just congratulate me on my new look journey. I'm not taking it down. It's only the install that people be thinking about. You gotta think about the takedown process. 6 hours later, and I'm finally done installing the mini twist, doing some finishing touches like massaging my scalp with my hair growth oil and spraying it so that it can curl up nicely. Ciao.
The installation process of the twist was, for me, very similar to that of mini braids. It didn't take much time at all, and once everything was done, my hair had more volume, because when I do mini braids, it seems like the hairstyle is a bit flat, you understand, no volume. But with the twist, there is just this natural volume, shine, and softness to it that I really enjoyed for several days, maybe up to 3 weeks. When I was done installing the twist, I went in with my hair repair serum, which is silicone based, enriched with argan oil, macadamia nut oil, and coconut oil. The overall shine and sheen of the hairstyle was giving me so much pleasure. Before installing this hairstyle, I did my regular hot oil treatment, came out and I washed my hair, took down the hairstyle that I had before this, did a henna treatment, then I conditioned my hair using the Nature's Gentle Touch conditioner. Very good conditioner, but in upcoming videos I will tell you about other conditioners that I found that are more affordable and more effective right here in Nigeria. Everything about the mini twist, or in my case the schmidi twist, because I have seen some girls that say they put 202 twists in their hair. I did nowhere near that, so we are going to just call my own twist schmidi twists. After rocking this hairstyle for a few weeks, I noticed something towards the end which I will have to address in another video. So it's going to be a mini twist with a plot twist basically. But for this particular video, I really enjoyed the hairstyle. So big ups to the girl then that use mini twist to grow their hair.
My name is Chanel and I'm a certified mini twist girly that has used mini twist over the past 3 years to retain maximum length. Wearing mini twist has helped me go from shoulder length mini twist to basically butt length mini twist. Fall is around the corner and protective style season is here. So here are some tips to retain length with mini twist. Tip number 1 is to always keep those mini twists moisturized. You never want to let your mini twist dry out because this can cause your mini twist to mat and tangle, which can result in breakage. Keep a regular moisturizer routine important to keep your strands lubricated and soft. Next tip is make sure that you're gentle with the takedown process, especially if you're somebody like me that likes to keep mini twists in for over a month. Being gentle and taking your time with the takedown process will help reduce unnecessary breakage. Next tip that is very helpful is to keep your mini twist stretched. You can stretch your mini twist with braids, twists, flexi rods, or even a blow dryer. Keeping your mini twist stretched will reduce one strand knots and also tangling as well.
That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please tap the like button, turn on your notifications so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Share if you care, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Choose.